Gates open, send them down.
Gates send down,
All right, girls, easy does it now. Keep moving. All right, girls, keep it steady now. Come on down, easy does it. Watch that one on the left. All right, bring the rest down. Move on now. How's the level looking down there? Good, just a bit more right here. Easy now, keep moving straight ahead. All right, coming through.
Tablet shows normal temperature for cow 214.
Heart sounds are clear. Let's get the vaccination ready.
I have the syringe prepared.
Temperature is 102.5. Lungs sound clear. Heart rate steady.
Copy that, doctor.
They meet the criteria. Approved.
All right, open the gate. Let's keep them moving smoothly.
Inspection complete. The animals are in pristine condition.
Good.
Gate sequence complete on line 4. We are clear for the next transfer.
Confirmed. Advancing the chutes now.
Let's optimize the water pressure here.
Ensure it hits the center cuts evenly. The flow seems consistent now. Look at this graph. Efficiency is up 15% since the last calibration.
Good. The automated stacking is clearly optimized now.
This section meets the tensile strength requirements listed here.
The digital records confirm that assessment. Batch 401 is approved for transfer.
Looks like we have a winner here. The texture is superb.
It really is. Quality is consistent across the entire hide. Yeah.
Fantastic. I'll take the notes.
The colorimeter confirms the match to swatch 7.
Yeah, excellent. Let's approve this batch for finishing.
Careful with that stack, it's heavy. Bring the next empty crate over here. All right, moving this one now. The texture on this curve is excellent. Ensure it's logged as grade A. Yeah.
Understood. I'll update the sheet now.
Here are your gourmet provisions, ma'am.
Oh, they look wonderful. The quality is exceptional as always. Thank you.
Look at this new pasta sauce we got.
Oh, can we have it tonight?